Hi, well, I'm here with Carrie at Lustre, and I've been following Lustre, I guess, for how many years, Carrie?
More than 7 years.
Yeah, more than 7 years. So it's been a very kind of interesting journey following the company's development. And Carrie is a sales and marketing manager of the company. So I'm just going to I'll start by asking you, Carrie, how's it as a show been for you so far?
Well, this is actually, we have been exhibited on Labelexpo series across world many years. And for Labelexpo Southeast Asia, this actually is the first show after COVID. And we are surprised that the market and economy is recovering back, I think. And also, I think the show is great because for the past 2 days, we've met a lot of new friends, old friends, I think the printers and converters are getting more positive, and they are releasing their new investment plan. So I think it's a great show.
So is the ASEAN market, is that an important market for Lustre?
Yes, absolutely, because for Southeast Asia market is always the most important and strategic market for us. Firstly, that we can see the great market potential and the increase in perspective of the volume as well as their consciousness for quality control, because and also the printers and converters are the China technology are growing fast, so they are getting more confidence about China products and manufacturers. So as you can see across the show, a lot of China manufacturers come in to show. So for Lustre, we are now putting a lot of support local offices and the local engineers to give localized support, so customers can find us and get quick response, whatever problem is. So they will be, firstly, they will be assured of our quality, and then they will feel confidence about our service. So we want to support them regarding their development in the market for the printers and converters.
Thank you, Carrie. And I know that all the years that I've been following Lustre, one of the most interesting things has been your development of machine learning and artificial intelligence. I know from many years back you've been developing. So I think that here we have a kind of example of one of your most advanced inspection systems. So I'm going to give you the microphone, and I'm going to ask you if you could just talk us through the technology, particularly with looking at the AI side of things.
Sure. Thank you, Andy. So basically, Lustre provided vision inspection systems from the beginning for wide web, narrow web, and sheet fed cartons. So the machine we are showing here is a specialized machine for quality control for the narrow web, and this is our inspection systems. So it insists of the camera in high speed and also our patented special developed LED lights to make sure that every defects on the printing surface can be catched in clear image. So and also in high speed, so customers can use it to catch all the quality issues with efficiency as well as cost effective. So this is actually the most popular model in the market because after printing, after die cutting, foil stamping, and other processes, printers can put the finished roll in this machine and to catch all kinds of defects in different processes and make sure the one they deliver can match the quality requirement of their customer and the users. So the brand owners can make sure the products they receive can create a great brand performances or perceptions and when they get the machine. So basically, every year, Lustre invest about 10% to 15% of our research and profit into research and development to make sure we keep improving our quality into a world-class level. So, and as you mentioned that now our new innovations is we input more artificial intelligence technology such as deep learning, machine vision learning into the systems. For instance, so as you can see, this is our main interface. So this is to tell the printers where and what happens for their print rolls. So as you can see here, we can set up sensitivity, or we call it tolerance, on each type of the defects. So it's because for each products or each printers, they should have a standard of each product. So the main issue for the quality inspection systems when customer wants to choose is because they don't want it to catch too much on each roll. They just want to catch the one they need to catch. But if you set up the tolerance too strict or too loose, so you may have too much to catch or missing something. So what we do here is that we analyze or study what's the true requirements for the label printers and converters, and categorize each defects with the tolerance like size and contrast to make so, for instance, if the printers they want to make sure the register and color is perfect, but they think, okay, the spots maybe no need to be too small. We can accept a certain tolerance on the size. Then he can set up the tolerance for the black spot a little bit wide, loose, and then but color and registration or missing print like a little bit strict. So it will be perfect, or for each type like pharmaceutical or food or wine. So each of the different types has different requirements. So it can be a perfect match to their products. And also something new is that we will give a live roadmap. So this is more useful when customers use such systems on the printing machine, because the printing machine, they want to use such systems to provide a live alarm of what's happening and to warn them that if something serious happens, they can handle it really soon to prevent continuous waste. So by having such map, you can see there are a lot of different color spots. So each color represents a different type of defects. So, and also it shows the slits width as well as the meters, so distance. So the printers can have a quick glance of what's happening and how intense it is. When the, like for instance, the flexographic machine runs at 100, 120, so high speed. So they can quickly go and adjust machine, tensions or register to prevent no continuous issues. And also another new features of Luster is that, before printers are, all the operators for such machines, because this, after all, is a software. So some operators of such machine will feel that it's difficult to use or to learn as a computer or difficult skills. But so our main focus to improve such system is to make it more user friendly to the operator. So, for instance, so when we set up a new job, we provide automatic setup. So one click and then the job is done. So, and ready to use. Let me show you. So when we create a new template, so we firstly will have a master, as we only use one master image as a unified, we call it a sole standard for all the following labels. And then this button is called automatic modeling, as you can see. So we click and then job is done. So you can quickly start. So basically, you see, we saw such technology in some entry-level systems because for such technology is to catch the big defects such as missing label or some big spots. Yeah, but as you can see here, for 100% inspection system, the purpose is to catch more small defects or like a full control. So usually it will require a more detailed setup on each regions or each type. But by having our one job setups, we will also catch all kinds of defects, such as you saw here, some die cut issues or some spots, or some missing prints, but still in one click. So, and also no many false alarm, you can see, so in regular catch. So that's how we release the burden of the operators to maintain a highly accurate result. Yeah.
So this inspection unit can be put either onto a printing press, or on as a 100% inspection system on the rewinder. So it's quite versatile.
Yes, that's correct.
In that sense,
so
yeah.
One is installed on the printing press. One is installed on the printing press. The purpose is to catch defects in real time, in high speed, so no continuous waste will go to the next process. So will be more cost effective in regards of the production. So, but on slitting rewinder, the purpose will be to help the customer to make sure, okay, they deliver a satisfied products, which 100% fine to the standard their brand user requires. So they make sure the quality is 100% fine regarding the die cut or foil stamping, not only the printing. And what's special for Luster is that not only we can inspect the printing surface, we also have an innovative technology. Although we haven't showed it in this show, we don't show it in this show, but we have such solution. We call it a 3D inspection. So for some, especially for electronic labels on the consumable electronic products, so they also need to catch the lamination such as crease or scratch or bubble, something that is under the lamination or coating. So, and such standard system cannot do that. So we are the only one in the market can really achieve 100% inspections on all kinds of defects, and also all substrates such as reflective or transparent or clear and clear.
Thank you very, very much indeed, Carrie. I'd like to wish you best of luck for the rest of the show. We're just coming into about a quarter of the way through day 3, the final day of the show, so the very best of luck with the rest of the show.